Okay, guys, so you know that I'm on this eating plan with Profile by Sanford, and I'm dropping weight, and it's making me feel great. Everything's going really good. So I've looked into a line of sauces that are all sugar free. I've been told about this. I knew about this guy before, but I never really got into his stuff. I've done like Sweet Baby Ray's, no sugar added, that kind of thing. But then I took another glance and I realized this guy's got like a boatload of flavors. So I grabbed six of them. I got three marinades and three sauces. We're going to be coating chicken. We're going to be having a testing competition. Find out which one's the best marinade. Find out which one's the best sauce. They're all sugar free. Okay, so this guy's really blowing up. He's getting real big. Congratulations to him. So I'll bring you in close and show you how we're going to do the test. All right, so I got the oven preheating and everything's going great. So this is our chicken back here. We've got six pieces and we're doing six sauces. So you can take a look here. I'm gonna try and guess which one I'm gonna like the best. This one's the most exciting. It's this chili. It's a sweet, sugar-free sweet chili. I'm excited about this because I would use this on ribs. So anyway, let's go down the sauces. Let's see here. We got a honey flavored barbecue sauce, sweet chili. This one is sugar-free sweet and spicy right here. This is a marinade. Sugar-free teriyaki marinade right there. That one is an orange ginger. Is it marinade? Yeah, just orange ginger. This one might be good too. I'm not sure. I'm either gonna like this or not like this. I'm gonna hate it. It's one of those hate or like things. Some people don't like that orange ginger flavor. And then this one right here is kind of a lemon herb marinade right there. So let's take these out of the way. We're gonna drop them down a little bit and get our chickens ready. Get all the bottles open. We're gonna coat all our chickens and then pop them in the oven. And then we'll be able to taste it. Nothing's worse than tasting cold sauce. I like to cook it on chicken and taste it in its all natural environment. Ooh, sounds like an African safari or something. So let's get these coated right now. All right, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're good. Got six of each. These are the chicken pieces. These are the sauces that are poured out. These are all the bottles, so you can see all the flavors. So you will get a chance to try them all in just a minute. Basically, basically. Okay, so see the fat rounded one? That's going to be this sauce. Well, I'll show you. We're just going to do it right now. Okay, coat it all. Get it all on there. As you can see, each one's flavored with its own sauce. The round one at this end by the lemon herb. This one by the honey barbecue. So we know how to lay it out. They look beautiful. They cooked up just nice. I got all the pieces here. So the first, we're going to start with this side, the marinade side. This is the lemon and herb right there. So let's grab that right now, see if it's not too hot. Probably not going to be my favorite, but it's really good, guys. He did a great job on the recipe. Let's go to this one. This is the orange and ginger. That ought to have a stronger flavor. Here we go. I didn't think I'd like the orange and ginger. That's pretty good. All right, this one's the teriyaki. This one kind of got burned a little bit. The one I thought I would like the least, I like the most. The lemon and herb is my favorite of the three marinades. Now on to the three sauces. We've got honey, we've got sweet and spicy, and we've got the sweet chili one. So here we go. Let's try this. Sweet and spicy. That's really good. That sweet and spicy is going to be hard to beat. Uh-oh. the sweet chili beat the sweet and spicy, but they're both amazing. The sweet chili is going to replace the Asian one with all the sugar that I use with the sugar-free one. That's amazing. I'm going to do ribs in that one. And here we go. Honey barbecue. I guess you can tell by my facial expressions. Honey barbecue is the least. The best one is the sweet chili. The second best one is this, sweet and spicy. I will fight over these two. Unbelievable. Wow. That's some great flavors. All right, guys. You let me know which one you like the best. They're all sugar-free. They're all safe to eat. Enjoy them. I think it's G. Is it G Hughes? G Hughes. Amazing. He did a really great job on all of them. Guys, you can't go wrong. Grab these flavors, all right? You guys take care. I love you, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.